Hello everybody, we're so glad you could join us. Karah here with her beautiful Silvertone, the Stereo's Dreams, a medalist, one-of-a-kind craftsmanship, construction, made in the USA, 100% all-American. The Silvertone, made for a girl who's dreaming of her night out on the town to prepare for her evening of fun. Karah always puts on a fine record of her Silvertone. Strings of 1,000 different instruments are playing tonight as Karah dreams of her wonderful night out at the country club and perhaps taking a movie. Karah is so excited that she can go back in time and enjoy the world of the 1950s on her Silvertone Stereo. Every girl should be able to escape from the realities of the year 2011 and enjoy the world of the past where things were beautiful and glamorous. We're so excited that her Silvertone is preserved and well treated and is a part of a family heirloom collection. You too can start your own heirloom collection by collecting and preserving your fine records and stereos for the world of tomorrow to enjoy today. Karah is so happy that she was able to share this moment with you. And she's so glad